Hey everyone, we are here for a 3-person group poll. A couple of us decided to get together, channel member Cheryl, myself, and Kim, and we brought along our good luck. Look at that! Everyone say hi to Jason, Wendover Uncensored. He's here, decided to come down, and yeah, got him set up at the Rio, right? So you're gonna show some of the Rio off?
I will show some of the outside, the courtyard, the new pool. It's all remodeled. The property's vastly improved from where it was.
So make sure you guys check that out. I'm sure you'll post videos and photos on Wendover Uncensored and TBT Slots. So make sure you check those out. But right now we are going to play. We're at the Palms and we're trying to find a train game. So here we are at Dragon Train, and those are our amounts. We've got, I'm gonna back this up a little bit. We've got our 300 in there, 10-cent denom. We're gonna do 10 spins. We've got 30 spins. Let's see what we do. Here we go.
I'm assuming 6 of those balls.
Yep.
Got to be another 3 dynamic for 3 games, I'm assuming. Let's find out.
He's wild.
Let's see, man.
$19 hit.
Ooh, look at that ball. One more.
That was spin 10 right there.
All right.
Come on.
Come on, ball.
Halfway through, 15. Guys, let us know what you think of Dragon Train. I have personally never played this.
Come on.
3 more.
3 more.
Little bit. 25 bucks. I know BBD showcased this game from Florida. That's spin 20.
Come on. I'm assuming that's our bonus.
3 more, 3 more. Here's spin 27 coming up. And our last one. Oh, do it. Last spin. Well, all right, Kim, Cheryl, and myself, we did not do real well. Final amount split between the 3 of us. That's about 15 bucks each. So not good on that little impromptu group poll, but we tried. That's gambling, and I think we may try and do another one a little bit later. But thanks for watching. If you're watching this, thanks for trying. Kim, Cheryl, appreciate you guys, and we'll see you. Say hi to Jason one more time.
Hey, everybody.
Make sure you check his stuff out. Wendover Uncensored on Facebook and on our channel TBT Slots. All right, thanks.